Okay, hello students. So today we will study another topic from the maths. That is the chapter 6, our triangles. So all of you are familiar with the word triangles, isn't it? Because from lower class we have been studying about the triangles. So what is triangle if I ask you? So how can you define the triangle? So triangle is a closed plane figure formed by joining three line segments. So it is a closed figure formed by joining three line segments. So all of you are familiar with this figure. So let's suppose it is a triangle ABC. So it has the three line segments. What are these line segments? One of the line segment is AB, another one is BC, and another one is SC. So these are the three line segments. Then a triangle. So today in this video we will be studying only the introduction about the triangle. So it has three angles: angle A, angle B, and angle C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. These are the three angles. As well as it has three vertices. For example, this one is the vertex A, this one is the vertex B, and this one is the vertex C. Vertex means whenever any two line segment they meet at a point, that meeting point is called the vertex. So in this triangle there are three vertices. What are these vertices? A, B, and the C. Okay. So triangle, it is a closed figure formed by joining three line segments. A triangle has three line segments, three angles, and the three vertices. Okay. Now we'll be studying about the classification of the triangles. So triangles can be classified on the basis of two things. One on the basis of sides and another one on the basis of angles. Classification of triangles. So first one we will study on the basis of angles. So on the basis of angles, the triangles can be classified into three types. So what are these? First one is called acute angle triangle. So what is acute angle triangle? So if in a triangle, if all the three angles are less than 90 degrees, then this kind of triangle is called acute angle triangle. For example, this angle A is 70 degree. Angle B, let's suppose 50 degree. So angle C will be how much? So 70 plus 50 is 120. So this will be 60 degree. As we know, in a triangle, the sum of all the angle is 180. So what is acute angle triangle? So if in a triangle all the angles are less than 90 degree, then this kind of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Next, second type is called right angle triangle. Number B is the right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle means the triangle in which at least one of the angle is 90 degree. Then this kind of triangle is called right angle. So in a triangle, if any one of the angle is 90 degree, then this kind of triangle is called right angle triangle. Then the third one is called obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle means in a triangle, if one of the angle if any one of the angle is greater than 90 degree, then this kind of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. So on the basis of angles, the triangles are classified into three types: acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and the obtuse angle triangle. So what is acute angle triangle? The triangle in which all the angles are less than 90 degree. This kind of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle means what? Triangle in which at least one of the angle is 90 degree. Then this kind of triangle is called right angle triangle. And the obtuse angle triangle means what? The triangle in which at least one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Then this kind of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Now, second type of classification we will study on the basis of sides. Again, on the basis of sides also, triangles are classified into three types. The first one is called scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So now we will be classifying on the basis of sides. For example, I have one triangle. The triangle name is ABC. Let's suppose the measurement of AB is 4 cm, BC let's suppose 6 cm, and AC let's suppose 7 cm. So you clearly can see that all the sides measurement are different. So if in a triangle all the measurement of the sides are different, then this kind of triangle is called scalene triangle. Then second type of triangle, it is called isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? For example, again I have one triangle. Let's suppose this type triangle name is PQR. Let's suppose measurement of PQ is 5 cm as well as PR also 5 cm. This side is equal to this side. So if in a triangle any two sides are equal, then this kind of triangle is called isosceles triangle. And the third type of triangle, it is called equilateral triangle. Number C is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? Now on the basis of sides we are classifying the triangle. Let's suppose I have ABC one triangle. AB is 6 cm, BC 6 cm, AC also 6 cm. So if in a triangle all the sides are equal, then this kind of triangle is called equilateral triangle. So on the basis of sides, the triangles are of three types: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and the equilateral triangle. So this was all about the introduction of these triangles. In the next class, we will be studying about the congruency and the similarity. Thank you.